Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me again today. My name's Erin. Welcome to my channel. In the morning when you wake up and you're like feeling quite stiff and sore, it happens as we get older, and you just feel like, I don't want to go move today. But I'm going to show you a few stretches that you can do when you get up in the morning. This is Valley, and let's get along with this. Okay, so you can stand first of all with your in a mountain pose and have your feet firmly grounded, and you can just stand up tall, as tall as you can. And then you just want to focus on your breath for a short while. Always breathe in through your nose to expand your rib cage. And exhale through the nose. You might want to close your eyes at this stage. And you can set your intention for the day. How do you want to go through this day? Let's bring some movement to our fingers. Just rolling them one way and then the other, and then let's bring that movement into our wrists. Just doing circular motions with your wrists. Slowly awakening the body one way and then the other. And then we can take our arms out and let's just start circular motions with them. And slowly, as you're making your circles a little bit bigger, you can maybe bring your arms up a little bit more. Make those circles a little bit bigger. You don't have to work fast, you're working slowly. And with your breath, try and link your breath and your movement. So inhale as you come up, exhale as you come down. And let's make those circles bigger. Getting a beautiful stretch through the front body and then slowly up. And then we can feel this getting into our shoulders. And then let's take it the other way. So we'll start off with small circular movements. And then slowly make them larger. Always work slowly with your body in the morning. No sudden, fast movements. Slowly waking the body. Let's drop our left ear to our left shoulder. Bring your chin to your chest. Take your right ear to your right shoulder. And then again, chin to chest. Left ear to left shoulder. And chin to chest. Just work through a few of these at your own pace, going slowly and mindfully. And let's bring our arms up now over our head. You can clasp your fingers. I'll just step back a little bit. And then clasp your fingers, have your pointer fingers coming out. And then just drop your body over to the left-hand side. So you're getting a lovely stretch through the right side of the body. And you can open up your chest a little bit. Take your arm back a little bit and look up. And come back to center. And then let's drop ourselves over to the right-hand side. Open up, look up a little bit. You want to look, open up your chest. And come back to center. Let's take our hands in front of us. Have your hands are intertwined, and then push your fingers away from you. So you're stretching through your back body now. And then let's bring it up, have a slight back bend. And then open up, round the shoulders, arch the spine. And last one. And let's release that. Shake out your arms. Might feel nice just to shake from side to side now. Let's come back with our feet together again. We can, actually open up your feet this time. Take your hands on your hips, bend your knees, and then slowly, slowly allow yourself to fall forward. Now, if you want to take your hands onto your knees at this stage, they are bent, and you can support yourself here. Allow your head to drop down. I'll just give you a side view. And just breathe into this. This is really a nice stretch to do. And allow yourself to just come forward a little bit. Keeping your knees generously bent if you need to. You might want to take your hands down and relax them all the way to the floor, or you can take your hands into your elbows and maybe bend in one knee and then the other. So we're opening up the full back body here. Please be mindful if you've got low blood pressure, this is not something you want to be doing. And if you did have the low blood pressure, then you would just sort of keep yourself here, okay? But anyway, for the rest of us, we're going to go back and just gently bend one knee and then the other. Allow the head to be heavy. And then up slowly, slowly bend your knees and allow yourself to come all the way back up into a standing. You can roll your shoulders back and open. Clasp your hands behind you and then just take your hands away from your butt if you can, and you can look up and round your shoulders. Give yourself a lovely hug. Hug, hug. And come back into your strong mountain pose. And just breathe here again. And then take your feet about mat width, hip width apart, and just flop your arms from side to side. Now you can bring your knees into this. This is the sort of thing I love to do in the mornings, just because some days I wake up and my body says, oh my goodness, I don't want to get out of bed. But if I slowly wake it up and I get myself ready for the day with a few stretches, and I can walk through my day feeling a lot better, a lot happier, and a lot more grounded. Take our arms up overhead, one last stretch, clasp your hands, stretch up, go from one side to the other, and back again, and drop yourself down, allow yourself to flop down like a rag doll, bend one knee and then the other, and just flop yourself all around. Bringing fresh blood to your head. And bend your knees, come all the way back up to standing very slowly. And take yourself back into your strong mountain. Big toes together. Inhale through the nose. And let's exhale hard through the mouth. And inhale again through the nose. and harsh exhale. Take your hands up over your head, through your forehead into your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this short stretch, and I hope you have a fabulous day. And if this has worked for you, please share it with your friends, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.